Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to boost engagement with Snapchat story replies. Let's get started. First, use question polls or this or that prompts. Example, guess what I'm doing today, or rate this outfit 1 to 10. Then go to Snap settings, tap privacy controls and view my story, or choose friends or customs, then tap who can reply to my story. Select everyone or friends. Add emojis, sliders, location tags, and mention friends to create curiosity. Fun captions like reply with your fave emoji work great. Reply to comments or story reactions to keep the convo going. Use voice replies or quick snaps to stay casual and fun. Then reshare fun or funny replies in your next story. It encourages others to join the convo too. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.